Hey, what's on, guys? Your boy JD. Hope you guys doing alright. If you're not, make sure to like, subscribe, look, comment below, and let me know what you thought about the video. You guys know what to do. Now, what we're playing, what was it called now? I think it was Overkill, something along those lines. ULTRAKILL. My bad. This game contains scenes of explicit violence and gore. God, I'm hoping one of Rips wants to play it out, bro. What you saying? Latest version, blah. Calibrations expired. When calibration required. Beginning calibration. So many calibrations. Approaching hell. Find a weapon. We're literally just doomslaying. What's going on? Like, can you play this on controller? What do you think? Play this on controller? Hold on, let's just okay. Well, I don't like right and left clicking doesn't work. Yeah, I'm pressing that. Oh, this off. Hold left control to slide. So left shift to dash consumes stamina. Okay, right. Oh. Okay. Douse yourself in fresh pill to regain health. Okay, so this actually fresh pill to regain health. So I bathe in my blood of my enemies to gain health. Okay, that's cool. Jump while mirror wall to wall jump max 3 times. Or left control in air to ground slam consumes stamina. Okay, cool. Most levels have secret soul orbs to them to get points. Interesting. So just drop down here then. Okay. New blood presence. Wow, what do you present, bro? Game by RC Hakita Patal. I don't know if I said that name correctly. Forgive me if I haven't. Okay. ULTRAKILL. Whoa, what the hell? Behave yourself, man. Behave yourself. Whoa. Yeah, ground slap. You're crazy as shit. What you saying? Headshot. Prelude first into the fire. Fucking hell, man. Behave yourself. I played Elden Ring. Yo, my bitch, don't scare me, brother. I'm fighting Radon right now. His ass is pissing me off, so I kinda need an outsource for my anger. Or right mouse button to charge piercing shot. Ooh. That's cool. So I can just punch him and just get held. That's funny. That's funny, man. What? Oh, that's funny. Yeah, bro, I'm already getting used to this. What do you mean? What? What's up? Oh shit. You got it. Oh shit, you hurt. You hurt a lot. Oh, can you piss off, man? And I'm dead. Okay. Bet, come on, let's do this then. Can I punch these guys? Piss off, piss off. Right, I'm gonna just fist these guys. Where are you running away from? Punching your dick. God damn, bro, I just punched the bomb and survived that. Oh. Fuck y'all. What? It's off. Oh, did I do it? Oh yeah, what is lame, bro? Punch a projectile with a piercing time to the front. Ow, okay, hold on, let's try this one. Oh, that's cool. I like that. Yeah, deflected bit. Piss off. What? Piss off. What are you saying? Oh, this is fun, bro. I like this. Oh, nut shot. What, why not fancy? There we go. Very nice one, but you got me. Ow, you wanna do this, bro? Come on then. Ow, oh, well, this is gonna kill me if I fail. Yeah. What? Bro, I'm getting good at parrying, bro. Oh, malicious. Another. Oh. Wait, I wonder if I can parry that shit. Yes, what you saying? Yeah, parrying is OP, bro. What? You know what? Not bad. Get 5 kills with a single glass panel. Hey, you know what? If we got a beat for our first try, 71 kills, what you saying? Fucking get out, lads. Equipment. Oh, so this is the shop. Okay, weapons. Revolver. Piercer and Mark. Huh. That. I like the moves. Cyber. No, okay. Alright, so pierce. I like piercing. Seems like a good thing. But at the same time, I wonder what this is. Like, I'm confused about what's that supposed to do. Let's try it. What's that? What? Isn't that what I'm supposed to do? Oh no, I got went back, what else? Eso. Nah, you know what? I like this a lot better. Neck punch. What? styling you. What you say?
Have a great time.
Excellent, what you saying? Oh, hello lads, what you doing? Got something also? Go on, do it again. There we go. Oh, hello lads, what are you doing? Yep, miss. They'll suck at me. No, not happening. Piss off. I'm too good, bro. Like, first time playing, I'm already like this. Like, what do you mean, bro? Beat the secret encounter. What's that? I don't know. Right. Any new weapons? Oh, I got the demo, didn't I? Oh, that's okay. Can I go back to this? Okay, that's good. Okay, what about this? Enemies? No, I can't do. Okay. Yep, dead. What you saying? Alright, one back here already. Alright. Here we go. Come on, let's go then. What train? What? Yeah, all of it. Yeah. What? Redo this, come on. Come on, let's do it. Yeah. I've got it. Wanna try me also? Easy boys, easy. Whoa, no, it fell off. Bro, my worst enemy stairs. Insufficient power? What do you mean insufficient power? Well, what can I do then? I don't know what to do here. Oh, ew. Boss. Hello there. Woo! Insane. Damn, you're fast. What? Wanna do this into a fist fight? Let's do this into a fist fight then, bro. swords machine. How the fuck am I supposed to beat that? He's got a chainsaw, bro. Ooh, so 3 in a row, got it. Bro, I need to get my shift down, bro. Bro, I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this guy, bro. Oh, just jump around in circles seems to do the job. Fuck. Is there somewhere that I'm supposed to be? I mean, this works. If it works, it works. What can I say? Ah, okay, jeez, I was wondering. Okay, I might be a little bit dumb, alright, I can't just everything to be. I know, I've got a shotgun now, bro. What are you saying? Alright. Oh, I feel like I'm actually in Doom now. Well, I'm about to die. That don't happen. Come on, need to get full health. Wow, you hurt. And I killed myself. Alright. Alright, anyone else? Anyone else? Oh, yeah. Alright, without killing myself this time. What you saying? Oh fuck. Jesus Christ. Okay. Crap. Where did you come from? Best thing you can do is just tank your hits. Ouch. Oh, so close, so close, so close. Yeah, best thing I can do, right, is just go up to it and just keep shooting with the shotgun and avoid this chainsaw. Okay, so when he does that, I avoid. I bet. I'm curious of like the lore. Why do I have a bit? Why do I have beef with a robot with a sword, man? 11 restarts. Jesus Christ. Okay, didn't know it was that bad. Ooh, pump shotgun. I gotta get the pump. You know what I got to, bro. Like what you saying? That's fun. Well, that's very fun. Well, guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and let me know what you thought about the video. Did I just repeat what I just said? I think I'm going a bit crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. But like I said, just let me know if you want more, and I'll do more. It's a fun game. I like it. It reminds me a lot of Doom. Obviously, it's a different game, ULTRAKILL. We can find on itch.io. It's a lot of free games on there with a lot of great creators, and I recommend you try it out. Yeah. Have a nice one, guys.